India is a diverse country with a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. Here are the top 5 destinations to visit in India, each offering a unique experience. First on our list, Agra. Key attractions. The Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. This iconic white marble mausoleum is a symbol of love. Then, there's Agra Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historical fort offers a glimpse into the Mughal era. And don't miss Fatehpur Sikri, an ancient city with well-preserved buildings from the Mughal period. Why visit Agra is renowned for its architectural marvels and rich history, making it a must-visit for history buffs and romantics alike. To Jaipur. Key attractions. Amba Fort, a majestic fort offering panoramic views and intricate architecture. City Palace, a beautiful blend of Mughal and Rajasthani architecture with museums and courtyards. Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds, with its unique facade featuring 953 small windows. Why visit Jaipur, known as the Pink City, is famous for its royal palaces, forts, and vibrant bazaars, offering a rich cultural experience. 3. Kerala. Key attractions. Backwaters of Alleppey. Enjoy a serene houseboat ride through the picturesque backwaters. Munnar, a hill station known for its tea plantations, lush greenery, and cool climate. Kumarakom, a peaceful village on Vembanad Lake, perfect for birdwatching and relaxation. Why visit Kerala, often referred to as God's own country, offers a tranquil escape with its beautiful landscapes, wildlife, and Ayurvedic treatments. Varanasi. Key attractions. The Ganges River, where you can witness the mesmerizing evening Ganga Aarti ceremony and take a serene boat ride on this sacred river. The Kashi Vishwanath Temple, one of the most famous Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. And Sarnath, a significant Buddhist site where Lord Buddha gave his first sermon. Why visit Varanasi, one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world, is a spiritual hub for Hindus and offers a deeply cultural and religious experience. 5. Goa. Key attractions. Beaches. Relax on popular beaches like Baga, Anjuna, and Palolem. Old Goa. Visit historical churches like the Basilica of Bom Jesus and Sikh Cathedral. Dudhsagar Falls, a spectacular 4-tiered waterfall located on the Mandovi River. Why visit Goa is famous for its sandy beaches, vibrant nightlife, Portuguese heritage, and delicious seafood, making it a perfect destination for both relaxation and adventure. These destinations showcase the diverse beauty and cultural richness of India, offering something for every type of traveler.